Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. This is a 2011 Ford F-150. I'm going to show you how to replace your broken inside door handle with a new part from 1A Auto. Okay, just to make sure that your courtesy lights don't drain your battery, if you're working on inside the car and you have the doors open for a while, you can pull your interior light fuse. That fuse is located right down here near the passenger's feet kick panel. Pull that door open and off. Fuse box is right here. Squeeze and pull that off, and then your fuse puller is right here, and the fuse for the courtesy lights, and you can confirm this in your owner's manual, but the courtesy light fuse is right here, number 15. It's a 15 amp, number 12, and pull it out, and it's out. To remove the door panel, you're going to want to start with a 90-degree pick available at 1A Auto, and you really need one of these. A lot of these you can do with just a little flat blade screwdriver, but you really need to get in here, start at the top, force the pick in there at the corner, and twist. And then, I've already done it once, so it's probably gonna come out pretty easy, but you pull really firm and remove that panel. And then the same thing right down in here, work the pick down at the back, get a good bite, and lift up. And then there's two 8mm bolts, one here, and then one back in behind there, and then two 6mm bolts, there, right at the bottom here and here. I'm going to use an 8mm socket with a ratchet and an extension, and remove these two bolts. Switching over to a 6mm socket, and remove these two. These will come out quick. Use a nice big 90-degree pick, work it right in and then underneath. And then you want to pull straight up, and same thing. It looks like this has been apart before, so it comes apart pretty easy, but you would want to work this in and pull straight up to release the front clip. And then you have three connectors, one here, tab at the front of the vehicle, comes out, tab at the back, comes out, tab at the back, and disconnects. Now you can pull your panel up and off the door. And the door latch cable, you can see it has two teeth on it. Just work a screwdriver in, push the teeth. And I'm pulling out while I push these teeth down, and then the cable rotates out. And once you have your cable disconnected, there's just one more connector here at the front for the mirror. Tab on the front, push, disconnect, and your door panel comes off. Once you have the door panel off, and you can see the return spring on our old handle is broken, there's just two clips. I'll show you right on the back. Press on those two clips and push the old handle out. Old door handle from the vehicle. And like I said, the little return spring popped out. New handle from 1A Auto. We'll remove the foil after we install it, but it's exactly like the original door handle. Spring still in place. It's going to go in just like the original. All right, new handle, put the back in first, and then press it into place. Door handle reinstall, we had our mirror switch out, it just pops up and out. You put the connector in towards the front, and then push it down into place. And then put the panel in place And your 3 hooks at the bottom, you just kind of put them into place preliminarily, and the door panel just kind of rests there. And then you can reconnect your mirror switch, pull your harnesses up through the door, and then put your door latch cable back into place, push it down into the hole, and then put the wire down through, twist, pull it in here, and then push it into place. Make sure your door lock is unlocked, and then push the panel firmly. You lift up a little bit, push it firmly against the door, and slide it down. And you might have to kind of find your door lock knob. Okay, you just have to lift up, get it over the door lock knob, push it firmly against the door, and it should slide down into place. Now we're just going to remove our plastic. If these clips didn't come out with your window switch, just push them down through. Be very careful not to drop them. And push the clips back onto the switch housing. And then reconnect the door lock. And then your window switches. And then put the right down and lock it in place. The 8mm bolt with the washer goes into the pull cup. Start that. The longer one goes up here. We'll start that in, and then start our 2 6mm. Use your socket ratchet extension, or just a driver with a 6mm socket. Tighten these up. To the 8mm to tighten that one up. Get this one started. And socket ratchet extension to tighten it up. Okay, little beveled edge goes to the back. Put that one in place. And then this one goes down and in. This little tab goes to the back. Test your door handle. Make sure the window's open, door's unlocked, and everything works good. Reinstall your fuse to get the courtesy lights back on. Back in place. Push it in nice and secure. Put your fuse puller back in place. Cover back on, and the kick panel back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.